Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial today, I will be teaching you how to add progress bar to your PowerPoint presentation. As you can see on my screen right now, I'm using a template I downloaded from 24slides.com. So it's a website where you can download PowerPoint presentation template. Okay, so if you need this template, you can visit the website. So I downloaded this template for the purpose of this tutorial, but the design and the text content on this presentation is not the major focus of this tutorial. So the major focus today is the progress bar at the bottom of this presentation slide. Okay, so now below this slide, now you can see 1 of 10 presented. Then if I move to the second slide, I'm going to see 2 of 10 presented. Then you will see the progress bar moving. So if I go to slide 3, you can see the progress bar moves. Then if I go to 4, you can see the progress bar increases. Okay, at the bottom here, 5. If I move to 5 also, you can see it moves. Then it reads 5 of 10. So if I continue like that, you can see it's 6 of 10. Then the progress bar increases according to the number of slides that I am. Okay, so if I move back on the slide, you can see that the progress bar also decreases. Okay, so if I go to 9 of 10, you can see the progress bar, and 10 of 10 also, you can see the progress bar is now complete. Then it reads 10 of 10 presented. Okay, so you may need to add this to your presentation, because sometimes when you are doing a presentation and your audience is like getting tired, when they can see your progress bar, at least probably your progress bar is reading 7 of 10, then your audience can be patient to listen and to watch your presentation to the end, having it in mind that your presentation remains only 3 slides. Okay, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, I want to say you are welcome. This is ID Tech, and if you are a returning subscriber, I want to also say thank you for stopping by once again. If you want to see other videos that I've created in this channel, click on the channel title here or this picture. Then it is going to land you on the home page of my channel, so you can see all videos that I've created. And you can also check the shorts, you can check the playlist. So with the playlist, I've been able to organize the videos. The ones that has to do with Microsoft Word, for instance, they are grouped in one playlist, and my videos on CORELDRAW are also grouped in one playlist. So you can check the playlist to watch any video of your choice. All right, so having done this, let's get started with this tutorial on how I was able to do this progress bar in addition to my presentation slides. Okay, so I have this document. Okay, you can see that this progress bar is not present here right now. This is the one I just presented, and this is a copy of it without progress bar. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, now we need to add page numbers, and automatically it should be increasing according to the increment in the number of slides. Okay, so right here in this presentation we have 10 slides. This number 1, it will increase when it gets to slide 2, but of 10 presented is going to remain static throughout the presentation, because we are going to have 1 of 10 presented, 2 of 10 presented, 3 of 10 presented, and so on. Then the progress bar, then there is this underlay for this progress bar. Okay, so we have this black outline here. Okay, we are going to do that, and it is static for all the presentations. So everything that will appear throughout the presentation slides, we are going to use Slide Master to add them. Okay, this is what I mean. If you want to add something on all slides at the same time, then you use Slide Master. For instance, I want to put a logo here. I don't have to be putting it slide by slide. I just need to use slide master so that the logo will appear on all slides at the same time. So let's do this. Let's go to slide master. If I want to go to my slide master now, I'm going to click on view, then I will come to the second group here and click on slide master. Then it will take me to my slide master. Now notice something here. Whenever you come to your slide master, if you want to add anything that is going to appear on all slides, then you need to click on this first theme here. Okay, so all other ones represent different layouts. So you can see title slide layout. The second one here is title and content layout. So if you are applying something here, it will only appear on this type of layout in your presentation. So you need to notice that these layouts here, they are not your presentation. So if I close this master view now, you can see that we have 10 slides, and if I go to my master view, you can see that this layout, they are more than 10. So they are not your presentation slide. So whenever you want to add something and you want that thing to appear on all your slides, then you click on the first one at the top. Then whatever we had here now is going to appear on all slides. Okay, now the first thing we want to do is to add our page number. Okay, so automatically we should add it, then it should be increasing. So you can see the page number here, then we put of 10 presented. All right, now here we have date to the right, then in the middle we have the footer, then to the right we have this hashtag, and that hashtag represent slide master. So what we want to do now is that we want to move this page number, which is this hashtag, we want to move it to the left, and let us move this date to the right. Okay, so because we need this number by the left, not by the right. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this placeholder, then I move it to the left. All right, having done that, what we are going to do next is that we are going to go to insert, then we are going to insert slide number. So to insert your slide number now, you need to come under text group. Okay, so what I mean by group is these demarcations. Okay, I've taught that in one of my tutorials in Microsoft Word. Okay, so you will see this group is named text. Then you have these three icons here. You have the one for date, you have the one for slide number, then you have the one for object. Okay, so we need to add slide number. Okay, so you click on this icon, the middle one, then you will see this dialog box. It will pop up for you. Then you need to specify if you are adding date, slide number, or footer. But for now, we just need to add slide number. So I'm going to check this slide number box and click on apply. All right, for now it is not going to appear as one because we are still in the slide master environment, so we are still going to be having this hash. Okay, now we can decide to change the color of this number. We can also decide to increase it. So I've selected it right now, then I'll go home and increase it. I want to increase it to 18. Then if I close this slide master, to close your slide master, you come under slide master tab, then you come to this close group and click on close. All right, as you can see right now, to the left hand side, exactly at the position of that hash, we have 1. And if I move to slide 2, of course I'm going to have 2. If I move to slide 3, I will have slide number 3. Okay, so let's go back to our slide master. All right, so now we want to add background. You can see this one that we are following here, it has background, then we have of 10 presented. So let's quickly do that. Then I'm going to click on insert tab and come to text group here and click on text box. Okay, so when I click on text box, I'm going to click and drag to draw my text box. Then I'm going to write of 10 presented. Okay, so I'm putting of 10 because we have 10 slides in total. If you're having up to like 24 slides, of course you are going to insert your number and type of 24 presented. So number of the total number presented. Okay, so we have this now. We have this hash, which is our number of 10 presented because I'm having 10 slides. Then it has background color, so I'm going to go to insert and click on shapes, then click on rectangle. All right, so I'm going to draw my rectangle right here. Now it is at the top of that text that I wrote, so I need to first of all remove the outline because I don't need the outline. So I click on no outline. Then the color, let me change the color to something light like this. All right, then I'm going to right click on it and send to back. Okay, you can see send to back. Then it will go to the back of the text while the text comes up. So now so far so good. Let's go to our slide master tab and click on close master view. Okay, so you can make other adjustments when you are doing it, but not to waste time at all. So let's just continue. Now we have the numbers. You can see 4 of 10. If I go to slide 5, you can see 5 of 10. Okay, so let's go back. Now we want to do our progress bar. Now let's go back to our slide master. Whenever you come to slide master view, always remember to click this first theme here, the first slide at the top. Now we need something that will be the background now, so we need to insert a rectangle. Okay, so from here we need to add a rectangle here. Okay, now we need to do a very simple mathematics here because what we have, there are 10 slides. Okay, so let's give the width of this rectangle, let's give it 10 inches. So you come under shape format, then you come to the size group and give it 10. Okay, so that it will be 10 inches. So for each slide we have 1 inch. Okay, so it is going out of the slide. Let me just reduce this. Okay, then this one can come closer. Okay, so nice. Then we need to make this one the shape fill. We don't need to have any fill inside. We don't need anything, but we need the outline there. So the outline is okay. So you can see the outline black. All right, so now let me close this master view. You can see right here we have 1 of 10 presented. Then we have these outlines here. All right, then these outlines that we are having here, don't forget it is a rectangle and it is 10 inches according to the number of our slides. If you are working with, let's say, 20 slides, then you can still make it 10 inches. Then for each slide you are going to be using 0.5 inch. Then 0.5 inch times 20 is now going to be 10 inches. Okay, so just do that simple mathematics. Now for each slide here we are going to be having rectangle. The first one is going to be 1 inch, the second one is going to move to 2 inches, then the third one is going to move to 3 inches, and so on and so forth. So let's go to insert and click on shapes and click on rectangle. Then inside this layout we are going to put our rectangle. Now this rectangle we don't need outline, so we come under shape style and click on shape outline and click on no outline because we don't need the outline. Then we can increase this one a little bit, then we adjust it so that it will be at the center of the one we created before. Okay, so it will be inside. All right, so now this has to be 1 inch because for each slide is 1 inch. Okay, so we are going to make this one to be 1 inch. You come under shape format and under size group, then type 1 and type enter. So we have 1 inch. Now let us give this a color that will blend with what we are doing. Okay, so we come to shape fill, and then let's give it just this color. I think this color is okay with the design. Okay, so when we give it this color, we need to copy and go to the second slide. Okay, so let's go to the second slide, then we paste it here. Okay, use destination team, we will paste it here, then you increase it to 2 inches. Okay, so we come under shape format and increase the size to 2. Okay, so because when it is on 1, the progress bar is small, then when it comes to slide 2, then the progress bar has to increase. But for now, you need to be patient because we are going to apply a particular transition on this object so that it will move the way it's supposed to move, like a progress bar. Okay, so let's copy this again and come and to our slide 3 and paste it here. Let's go to slide 4, let's paste there. To slide 5, let's paste it there, and let's just continue like this until it gets to slide 10. All right, so we have it on all slides now. So slide 2 is at 2 inches, slide 3 has to be 3 inches. So let's go to shape format, we increase it to 3. Then slide 4 has to be 4 inches, so we select it and go under shape format and change it to 4. That is for slide 4. Then slide 5 also, it has to be 5 inches, so we do it like that till we get to 10. Okay, so I'm going to increase this to 6. Right, then for the 7th slide, this should be 7. Right, then the 8th one, right, then on the 9th one, it should be 9 inches. Then the last slide is going to be 10 inches. So you select it and come under shape format and change this to 10 inches. Okay, if I have to play this presentation right now, you can see what it looks like. Okay, so we have 1 of 10 presented, and you can see the progress bar where it is. If you move, it will move. If you move to slide 3, it will increase, but there is no effect on it, so it is not moving like normal progress bar that moves. So let's go back and apply the right transition so that it can move like normal progress bar. So I'm going to start from slide 2 because we don't need transition on slide 1. We need transition between slide 1 and 2. So the transition is going to be on slide 2. Okay, so you select the object and come to transition and look for morph. Okay, MORPH, morph is a type of transition. So you click on morph. Okay, so you can see the way it behaves. So okay, let me click on preview again. You can see it will move slowly like normal progress bar. So let's do that for all. Okay, so once you just apply to the second one, okay, when you just click on morph to the second one, then go to timing group here and click on applied to all, then that transition will be applied to all objects then. Okay, now let's play this presentation again and let's see how it looks like. So you can see beautiful 1 of 10 presented. Then focus on the progress bar. Then I'm going to click. You can see how the progress bar moves slowly. You can see how it moves. You can also see how it moves. 4 of 10. Okay, then 5 of 10. It moves 6 of 10, then and so on. You just see that progress bar moving gradually like that. So your audience, when they see this and they are watching the number of slides that you have, 9 of 10 presented, and they are checking the progress bar, they already know that you are coming to the end of the presentation, so they don't need to leave the scene. They just have to listen to what you have to say to the end. Okay, so like I said, if you need this template, you can visit 24slides.com to download this template, and there are other presentation templates that you can download from that particular website. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell, and don't forget to share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching this tutorial.